You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Hello and welcome to lab number 74. Creating an object schema. To perform this lab, we need to log in using our primary account. Here, if you see, I am logged in as my primary account. And now we are going to click on Asset. It's on left panel. Let me show it to you once again. On home.atlassian, left panel, click on Assets. On Schemas page, click on Create Schema. And now choose from a template. Make sure that you have selected IT Asset Management. And then we are going to click on Use Template. IT Asset Management template, click on Use Template. We are going to give the name as Asset Management. Description. And then we are going to create schema. This will take some time to get completed. So we have a schema created. This was the name that we gave, Asset Management. So schema is nothing but a data about data or a structure. So we have created a structure for our asset management. That's it for this lab. See you in the next one.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.